Hi guys, it's been about a week since I've uploaded a video, so I'm really pumped to do this video tonight. I just received my Ipsy bag in the mail. I have not unboxed it yet, so you guys will get my first reactions. And then in this video, I'm also going to do a full face of the makeup that I unboxed. So I will review each item. Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It is $10 a month, free shipping. And it comes with 5 beauty products each month, and it also comes with a makeup bag. So it's kind of like getting 6 items because you're getting the 5 makeup products, which are kind of like mystery makeup products. You don't know what you're getting, and then you get the makeup bag too. So it's a fun little thing to do, and I think, you know, $10 is a pretty good price because even if you find one item that you really like, I mean, $10 makes it worth it. So we will see what is in the box. Okay, so the first thing is this little newsletter, and it just says this month, express your unique beauty with, and it tells you all the products that you get, and it gives you a description of each product, which I think is pretty cool. Here's the bag. It's super cute, actually. I love this because it's like a Valentine's Day bag. And it always usually says Ipsy at the bottom right here, but this month it doesn't. It says it right here on the zipper. That is so cute. Okay. So the first thing is Feel Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser, Deep Skin Treatment, Gentle Exfoliation. Okay, this is Be Bright Illuminating Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. This is the Dose Fierce and Fine Graphic Pen. Oh my goodness, look at the tip of that. Wow. You guys can see that. Wow. Okay. You guys know I love myself a good eyeliner pen, so we shall see. Okay, this is Siete London Glow 2 Highlighter, Illuminating Powder Highlighter. So it's a little sample, it looks like, of what this is, and it's in the shade Moon Dust. Okay, we have a lipstick here, and this is in the shade I'll Bring Dessert. And this is the brand Belle en Argent. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. This is really pretty. Let's see. Oh, wow. That's a really pretty shade. Okay. All right, guys. So what we have here is we have a concealer, a highlighter, a lipstick, a facial cleanser, and a graphic pen. Everything here lines up with what my profile says. The only thing I will say is medium beige is not a good pick for me because I have such fair skin. I'm not completely sure how light this is going to look on my skin or if it's going to come off super orange or yellow, but we'll see. Here we go. Okay, so first thing I want to let you guys know, I have already put on my foundation, which is the Dewy and Smooth Fit Me Maybelline in the shade Porcelain. So just take my beauty blender. So after using the Be Bright Medium Beige Concealer, I definitely thought that it would be like yellow underneath my eyes because beige is a totally different skin tone from me, but it actually meshes really well. And I don't think that there's really too much of a dramatic difference underneath my eyes. Something I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video is that I'm actually wearing L'Oreal Paris black eyeliner. I put that on before the video started, Next, I'm going to use my own bronzer. It is Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've used this in so many previous videos. It's already to the pan. I love it so much. I actually am going to dip my brush, it's an angled brush, into the powder. Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. I love this blush. It is so beautiful. So I'm going to take my brush, putting the Siete Glow 2 highlighter in the shade Moon Dust. It applied really smoothly and beautifully across the lips. This is probably going to be one of my favorite colored lipsticks that I have thus far. The pen is very sharp at the end. It was hard to get that thin line that I wanted, so I ended up going super thick, which I can tell if I use this pen again, I'm probably gonna have to go super thick too, which I don't always like to do. All these spots that don't look jet black, if you guys can see all the there's a lot of blotchiness going on here. It's also not a very clean cut wing, and usually 95% of the time when I'm using a liquid eyeliner pen, the wing is sharp, beautiful, and easy in less than 2 minutes. This was more difficult for me. You guys know I couldn't end the night without pulling out my Morphe palette and using a color that matches my lipstick, or just about matches it. Quickly opening my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Taupe. So guys, overall, I think my favorites out of this Ipsy bag were the Glow 2 highlighter in the shade Moon Dust, the I'll Bring Dessert lipstick, and the medium beige concealer, which I did not think that I would like, and I also didn't think would match up with my skin tone, but I ended up really loving it. I did not try out the pumpkin walnut facial cleanser. I will do that separately. I just wanted to apply the makeup and not do a facial cleanser first. For the lipstick, I wanted to say it definitely feels hydrating. It feels soft on my lips. It just makes my lips feel really good, and I'm loving this lipstick right now. The concealer feels really light on my face. It doesn't feel too cakey, and I also think it kind of takes away from the lines underneath my eyes really well. I did not like the liquid eyeliner pen. I just think that the top was too sharp. It was too hard to create a wing, and it also took me about 3 times to go over it again and again and again for it to be truly black, and even then there was still some blotchiness there. Highlighter I really loved, although it came in like a small sample size, which I wasn't expecting that. I was kind of hoping that I would actually get a case with the highlighter in it, but that being said, the highlighter is very beautiful. It went on really smooth, and I would definitely purchase a full-size version of this highlighter. So I think that this Ipsy bag was definitely worth it in the end, and I will stay subscribed for the month of March. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.